Good morning, everybody. Good morning, everybody. Peace and blessings. Peace and blessing. Assalamu alaikum. Shalom to the brews out there. Once again, this is your boy Azakar. Bring you that heat like I always do. You already know, so please like, share, and subscribe. Like, share, subscribe. Hit that like button. Share it. And subscribe. Hit the bell. And every time you hit that bell, you should be notified by YouTube every time your boy drop content. I always bring a healthy dose of content. Shout out to the Black YouTube, Ticket TV, Carcino, Kwame Brown, Kevin Samuels, the league attorney. I mean, it's so many brothers out there on YouTube spaces doing what it do, and the content is off the chain. It's immaculate. You know what I mean? And like I said, we all search for the truth. So once again, please like, share, and subscribe. Like, share, and subscribe. And I tell you on this right here, you need to count your blessings. Count your blessings, boy. I tell you, this is a wild motherfucker right here, boy. Y'all get ready to sit back. Sit back, y'all. This is from NBC News. Stolen box of human heads investigated by Denver police. Did you hear me? Did you hear me? Listen here. Human heads. Box of stolen human heads. Denver police are investigating the theft of a box containing human heads from a Park Freight Company truck, officials say Saturday. On some head. What the fuck? The box was being transported for medical research purposes, police said in the email. Someone broke into the truck while it was parked between Wednesday afternoon and Thursday morning. Denver television station KDVR reported. The blue and white box was marked with a label that said, exempt human specimen. Police said a dollar was also stolen from the truck. No arrests have been made as of Saturday, and investigators asked anyone who finds a box to call the police. Wow. Well, they made it seem like, you know what I'm saying? That's how the clickbait goes, you know what I'm saying? They made it seem like somebody had a car full of human heads in them. But who would want to go through the trouble to do so? Try to get them motherfuckers like that. Is it that crucial? Is it that crucial? Telling you, boy, and this is in where? Was this Colorado? Yeah, Denver. That's why all that, maybe that's why the medical playing a part on motherfuckers, you feel me? And people are bored, they ain't got nothing else to do. Scared of this bullshit that's gonna go on in the United States. This gas just skyrocket like a motherfucker. But yeah, who would take their time out to do so? Who would take their time out to stolen box of human heads and fuck with them? That's some sad shit. People ain't got shit to do. They ain't got shit to do. They need to be constructive on something instead of fucking off. But it's your boy Isaac Carr. Do me a favor, like, share, and subscribe. Like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Peace and the ball of Hackers, people.